Hello guys, it's me, YABZ TV. So this time we have solving quadratic equations by completing the square. So the first step is yung constant i-transpose lang natin to the right. Okay? So maglaan lang tayo ng space kasi nga completing the square. So yung left side gagawin nating perfect square trinomial. Okay? So the formula to find the third term is b over 2 squared. So the value of b is 20 divide 2 then squared. So 20 divide 2 is 10 squared. The result is 100. So this is possible if the value of a is 1. Okay, so now since the value of a is 1, so proceed tayo. So plus 100 kasi nga coming from the formula. Okay, then if we have perfect square trinomial, so kukunin lang natin yung factor niya na square of a binomial. So ito yung process, kunin lang natin yung square root ng first term, x squared is x, square root ng 100 is 10, then the operation of the middle term is minus. So that is our perfect square, our square of a binomial. Then sa right side, plus din tayo ng 100. So negative 19 plus 100 equals 81. So square root both sides, so the result is x minus 10 equals square root of 81 is positive negative 9. Okay, so always the result of square root is positive and negative 9. So separate lang natin yung x minus 10 equals positive 9, yung isa x minus 10 equals negative 9. Okay, then solve for x equals 9. So si negative 10 transpose to the right, so bring down 9 plus 10. Take note, always mag-change yung sign pag mag-transpose. Okay, so the value of x sub 1 equals 19. Okay, then solving for the second value, so the same process. So x or negative 10 bring transpose to the right, so bring down x equals bring down negative 9. Negative 10 will become plus 10. Okay, so x sub 2 equals positive 1. Okay, so that is the value of our example number 1. Okay, next we have example number 2. So example number 2, the value of a is not 1. So therefore, we need to divide by terms with the constant 3. Okay, so now since all 3 terms are divisible by 3, so 3x squared divide 3, so cancel out si 3, so x squared na lang. Then 12 divide 3 is 4, bring down x. Negative 15 divide 3 is negative 5 equals 0 divide 3 is 0. So negative 5, the constant term will be transposed to the right, so that the left side, yun yung gagawin nating perfect square trinomial. Okay, ito yung process na yung a is not 1. So maglaan lang ng space. So again, the formula for the third term is b over 2 squared. The value of our b is 4 divide 2 squared. So 4 divide 2 is equal to 2 squared. Yung ibig sabihin ng squared, dalawang factor ng 2 na base times. So that means 4. So plus 4 sa left, plus 4 sa right to make it equal yung equation natin. Okay, so pagkuha ng square of a binomial, kunin lang yung square root ng first term, then square root ng third term, then operation ng middle term. Sa right side, combine 5 plus 4, so equals 9. So after that, we have to take the square root both sides, the left and the right. So square root of quantity x plus 2 squared, cancelled out si squared, so x plus 2 yung naiwan. Then square root of 9 is positive and negative 3. Then the same process with number 1, separate yung positive 3 and negative 3 with the factors of x plus 2. Okay, so x plus 2 equals 3 and x plus 2 equals negative 3. Then solving for the value of x, positive 2 transpose to the right, so bring down 3 minus 2. X sub 1, we have positive 1. The next is x sub 2. So solving for the value of x sub 2, so the same process, transpose to the right, see negative positive 2. So bring down x, bring down negative 3, and positive 2 will become negative 2. So x sub 2 will become negative 5. Okay, so that is our value for example number 2. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you and God bless. Please follow for more. Goodbye.